Good morning, students. We are live now. Good morning, students. We are live now. Good morning, Matthew. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Let's wait for others. Good morning, Abhinandan. Okay, Jayashree has joined. 2 minutes will wait. Strength is very less. Raya Divyashri has joined. Good morning. So I want you people to solve questions along with me. We are solving this model paper, and till now from this question paper we have solved questions till ninth first part. The questions of this paper were little lengthy, so it took time. You can see, like today is the it's the seventh part. Yes. So today is the seventh part of this question paper. So seventh class. It will be the last class today. We'll be able to complete it. Okay, so I think let's start. Navya has also joined. Good morning. Okay, let's start. I want you people to solve along with me and share your answers. So, ninth question, you can see second part. Question number ninth, second part. This is a question from mensuration. So, what is given to us here? A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 3 meter, surmounted by a conical part above it. If its diameter is 105 meter and slant height of the conical portion is 53, calculate the length of the canvas which is 5 meter wide to make the required tent if 10% extra to be taken for stitching and folding. Yes, so how to do this question? So basically, roughly, I'll explain you what is there. Then I want your answers. See, one canvas is there. Canvas will be rectangular in shape, like rectangular. Some cloth is there. In cloth, you can see unstitched. It will always be rectangular. So this type of cloth, canvas, they are telling. So it is used to make tent, which is cylindrical up to a height of 3 meter. So cylindrical up to a height of 3 meter, then conical part is there above it. So diameter of the cone is given to us. Diameter of the cone, it's 105 meter, and slant height is also given to us. Slant height with small l we have to write, so that is 53 meter. And here it's given to us 5 meter is the width of the, we have to find its length. Yes. So I've explained you the question. So canvas, it's converted into conical tent. Tent shape is like it's cone as well as cylinder. Combination of solids concept is here we have to use. and we have to find the length of the this cloth, this canvas length we have to find. It's given to us 10% extra to be taken for stitching and folding. Yes, so now I want you people to tell me what we should do. We have done these type of questions like in our textbook also, the questions are there similar to this, where we have to find the length of the canvas and which is converted into some solid. Yes, so which concept we can use here? See, when I'm talking about concept, either we have to use the concept of surface area or volume. So these two things we are doing in this chapter. So which one we have to use here? Do we have to use surface area or volume? Surface area or volume we should use? Okay, no response. Surface area. Yes, here we have to use the concept of surface area. See, areas we will equate. Area of this rectangle. So rectangle's area we know. We'll write this thing. See, area of canvas. It is equals to total surface area, because the same surface, because from here we are getting whatever area here we are, the same it's being converted to this tent. So total surface area will like total surface area of tent. So this we will use, but here one extra thing we will do here, it's mentioned 10% extra is to be taken for stitching and folding. So here we will add 10% also. Here we will add 10% also. So this thing you have to do. So area of canvas we know its length into breadth as it is rectangular in shape. Total surface area here we have to find. So total surface area, if we see total surface area, it will be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. And in that 10% of this area we have to add. So I hope it's clear. Only curved surface area we have to add, because see it's tent doesn't have any base. So only the curved part we have to take. That's why see this solid, the total surface area will be what? Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. So what's the formula? What's the formula of curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of cylinder? So I want you people to give answers fast. See, Tuesday is our exam. After 2 days, we have to write the exam. So by now, I think formulas should be on tips. 2 pi, 2 pi RL. No. Curved surface area of cone. CSA of cone is pi RL. Good. What about cylinder? What about cylinder? 2 pi RH. Yes, so it's 2 pi RH plus 10% of the this total surface area we have. Here I didn't write, a space was not there. 10% of this total surface area of tent, whatever we are finding here, that we will write. So length into 5 because breadth is given to us. Width means breadth. Yes, so pi's value here 22 by 7. 22 by 7. R is radius, so radius is 105 by 2. Diameter divided by 2. Slant height is given to us as 53. At 5 meter I wrote it's 53. Slant height is 53 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into R same, see cylinders, this radius is same, so 105 by 2 into height of the cylinder is 3 plus 10% of this TSA. When we will find this TSA, that time we will write. So any cancellation can we do? This we can cancel. 2 into 11. If you want, you can take out common factors also. That way also you can do. So I'll rewrite here. So L into 5 is equals to pi r L plus 2 pi r H plus this 10%. Pi r we can take common. See, if we take common, it will be easy. Pi and r I am taking common. So it will be L plus 2H plus 10% of total surface area. Here length into 5. Pi's value is 22 by 7. Radius is 105 by 2. Because 105 is the diameter. Diameter divided by 2 is radius. Slant height is 53. Height of the cylinder is 3. Yes, height of the cylinder is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. I am directly writing. Plus 10% of this total surface area. Total surface area is this part. This one. Curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area. So once we are getting this value, we will write here also. And we'll add the total part. Now we can do, here we can do cancellation 2 into 11. And 7 also we can do 7 into 1 is 7, 35, 7 into 5. So 11 into 15, 11 into 15 is 165, 53 plus 6. 53 plus 6 is 59 plus 10% of TSA. Multiply 165 into 59. 165 into 59 multiplies. I'm not going to here do multiplication. Multiply and tell me the answer. 9,735. So length into breadth. So here I'll write now. So total surface area we have found. So 10% I can write by 100 into 9,735. 10 I can cancel here. So length into 5 is equals to 9,735. Here I can write 973.5. We add both of this, and now this 5 also we can shift to other side. First of all, add both of these. So what we will get after adding? Is it 10,700.5? 10,700.5, yes. So this 5 we are shifting from left side to right side, it will get divided. So divide it and tell me the answer. 5 into 2, 5 into 1, 5 into 4. Okay, 2141.7 meter. Okay, so we found the length. So length we had to find. So if you're getting this type of question, always remember you have to use the concept of surface area. So here 10% extra what where we are it's written. So 10% of this we have to add because here we can't add here. We have to add 10% of the total surface area of the tent because if you're adding this here, if you're adding 10% of area of a rectangle, this will become more. Okay, so you have to add on this side only. So both the areas you have to compare and you can find the required length. Let's do next question. Next question, question number ninth. It's a question of GST. Let's see what is given to us. A retailer buys an article from a wholesaler at a discount of 10%. So wholesaler is there, then retailer is there, and retailer is selling to customer. So three persons are involved here. I am just writing. So retailer buys an article from a wholesaler at a discount of 10% on the printed price. So MRP is given to us. So this person's the cost price and this person's the selling price. Same it will be. So let's see. So if he bought on at a discount of 40,000 at a discount of 10% on, so what will be the cost price of this thing? What will be the cost price of this? You can find 10% and then you can do the subtraction, or you can find directly 90% of 40,000. So this thing I have explained you already. So 90 by 100 into 40,000, that is 6,000. Yes. So cost price for this person retailer, it is 36,000. So same is the selling price of for the wholesaler. The retailer sells the article to a customer at a discount of 5%. So this person the selling price also you can write. Now retailer is selling to the customer at a discount of 5% on the printed price. So if 5% is the discount, so you can write it will be 95%. So either you can 5% and subtract it from 40,000. That way also you can do. This way also you can do. If 5% is the discount, still 95% person has to pay. If 10% is the discount, 90% still person has to pay. So we have done like this earlier also. So 95% of 40,000. So this will be 95 by 100 into 40,000. Yes, so multiply this one and tell me. Multiply and tell me what we'll get. 95 into 400. It's 3. It, how many answers? Three answers I'm getting different. 95 into 400. 38,000. Okay, so I got 38,000. Now we know, see, first thing, always you figure out what is the cost price whenever three persons are involved here. This is different type of question. So if three persons are involved, it's better to figure out selling price and cost price. Okay, so if so selling price for the retailer will be same to the cost price of the customer, because this person is selling it and this person is buying it. Same thing works. So selling price of the wholesaler, it will be same to the cost price for the retailer, because this person is buying from this person. Okay, so I have written the selling prices and cost prices of retailer and customer. Now let's see what we have to find. It's given to us rate of GST is 18%. So GST is given to us, its percentage is 18%. We have to find CGST paid by the retailer. CGST only we have to find. CGST paid by the retailer we have to find. So what we can do? How to find? CGST we have to find. Retailer is a middle person. Retailer is the middle person. Normally, how we will find GST? How we will find GST? See, for middle person, I have told you one way. This is the middle person. What will be the GST paid by this person? How to find the GST paid by this person? Net GST? No answers. Net GST paid by retailer. What it will be? It is GST on profit. GST on profit. See, middle person you can always find like this. Yes, GST on profit. See, because CGST and SGST will be like equal, then we'll divide it by 2. Because here clearly they haven't mentioned like GST paid by the central, GST paid. See, if the question says GST paid by the retailer, if only GST is mentioned, paid by the retailer to the central government. If the question says like this, you have to find GST. You have to find GST. Now they have clearly mentioned only CGST we have to find. Only CGST means the half of GST we will write. GST we can find. So what is the profit here? What is the profit? What's the profit? Profit we can find by selling price minus cost price. So selling price, because selling price only retailer we have to see, because retailers we are considering. So 3,000, this is 38,000 minus 36,000, so this is 2,000. So profit we found as 2,000. So 18%, or directly 9% also you can write, because CGST we have to find. So here you write CGST. Why to find 18% and then divide? Okay, so 9% of 2,000. So how much it will be? 9 by 100 into 2,000. Two zeros you can cancel. So here the answer of this one is, I hope it is visible, 9 into 2 is 18,800. 1000, no, it's 180. It's 180, not 1,800. Yes, 180. See, if GST is mentioned, then full you have to write, only CGST is mentioned. So that's why you know half we did. Now, the price including GST paid by the customer. The price including GST paid by the customer and the SGST received by the state. What will be the, okay, third part we will do first. What will be the SGST received by the state? What will be the SGST? See, SGST we are finding it will be same to the CGST. So that will be again 180 rupees only. So second part we will do now, the price including GST paid by the customer. So customers selling price is how much? Not selling price, cost price. Customers cost price is customers cost price 38,000, and customer will have to pay GST on this amount only. So GST, we can find GST. So GST when we are finding, because we don't know which type of transaction is there, we will find separately SGST and CGST. Individually we have to find. Okay, so 9% we will do. So SGST and CGST separately we have to find. So 9% of 38,000, 9 by 100 into, so 38 into 9 we can multiply. So what we will get, 9 into 8 is 72, 27. Yes, so 3420. So same will be SGST also. Same will be SGST also. Now total bill amount for this person we can find. Total bill amount it will be this price which the person has paid, that is 38,000 plus 3420. Add it and tell me what will be the final answer. So 44,840. Okay. So this is the price paid by the customer including CGST or including GST. Okay, so we have completed this question. Let's do next question now. 10th question. So ninth we have completed. Question number 10th, first part. 10th, I think only two parts are there. You can see this is a 5 marker question. So median we have to find. Yes, so two questions are there. Both the questions are of 5 marks here. So in this question, we have to find median. And for median, we have to draw ogive graph. So I'll just rewrite it. The class interval is given to us. Then frequency is given to us. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Frequency is 5, 9, 16, 22, 18, 11, 6, 4, 6, 3. What we have to find? Do we have to find class mark for this one or cumulative frequency? In ogive, what do we need? Do we need class mark or cumulative frequency? Tell me fast. Cumulative frequency we need for ogive curve or we need class mark? Yes, we need cumulative frequency. Class mark we need in the question of mean. So how to find cumulative frequency? First one will be same. Is cumulative frequency. What will be the second one? I want you to tell me the answers. I will write. Second one. Okay, good. Matthew, Himanshu, Nikita, Fatima, and Jayashree has given the answer. Yes. First one is 5. What will be the second one? 14. 9 plus 5. So this way we can add. Then next one 14 plus 16. This will be 30. The next one 52. It will be 52. Then 52 plus 18. 70. So 70 plus 11, 81. 81 plus 6, 87. 87 plus 4, 91. 97 and 100. Just check my frequencies. Yes, so 30. Now points we will write. So cumulative frequencies we have done. Points we will write. See, upper limit of the class interval. Upper limit of the class interval. For points, it's better to write it down here itself when we are plotting. So 10 and cumulative frequency. Class interval along x-axis we have to plot and we have to plot cumulative frequency along y-axis. So this will be 20, 14, then 30, 30, then 40, 52, then 50, 70, 60, 81, 70, 87, 80, 91, 90, 97, 100, 100. So points also I have written. Now let's plot graph. So I'm just going to plot graph now. See, I might have little less space, so I'm just drawing on the very first line. You have to leave one column. You have to leave one column. Don't draw like me because I might not have because cumulative frequencies and class intervals. Frequency till 100 we need. Class intervals also till 100 we need. So very first one I have utilized. So let me write So frequencies we need till 100. So 10 tens we can 10, 20, 30. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. See graph scale along y-axis. Okay, first of all, I'll write the numbers along. So class intervals I have to write along x-axis. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Graph scale you have to write. See along x-axis, along x-axis you can see 10 divisions is equals to 10 units only we have taken. And because in board exam you'll be getting 2 centimeter graph, so here you can write 2 centimeter also. This 10 you will shift to other side. So 1 division is equals to 10 by 10 unit. So this is equals to 1 unit. 1 division here it's equals to 1 unit. Along y-axis also it will be same. 10 division it's equals to 10 units. See 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 10 units we are taking. So it is equals to 2 centimeter. So again 10 when you are shifting to other side. So 10 by 10 it will become 1 unit. So 1 division is equals to 1 unit. You can write graph scale. Now points let's plot. First point is 10, 5. So here I am not writing, I am just highlighting it little dark. Make sure you are writing also. This 10, 5, then 20, 14, 20, 14. 14 is 1 unit below 5. Then 30, 30. So here, then 40, 52, 40, 52. Then we have 50, 70, 50, 70. Then we have 60, 81, 60, 81, 70, 87, 70, 87, 87 will be 3 units below 90, then 80, 91, 80, 91. Just 1 unit above 90, 91, 90, 97 and 100, 100, 90, 97. So 97, 3 units below 100 and 100, 100 here. Now all the points I have plotted. So this is a freehand curve. So this I have to join the points not with the scale. Don't join the points with the scale. With the free hand you have to join it. So curve will be like this. So I hope you have plotted the curve along with me. Now let's see the question. See, plotting of a curve is done. Plotting of curve is done. Now median of the data we have to find. For median what we have to do, we need, see median will be, median we know, median is equals to n by 2, n by 2 that term, n by 2 term. So n is a total of the frequency. See total of the frequency if you do, see it should be equals to 120. We are getting here 100. It should be equals to 120. We are getting here the total as 100. Let me check once again. 5 plus 9 plus 16, 22, 18, 11, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 3. Okay, so there might be a mistake here. See here 120 students are written. It is not 120, it is equals to 100 as the total of frequency is 100. Total of frequency is 100, so there might be a mistake. So 100 students are there. 100 students are there. So total of frequency is the number of students. So 100 by 2, if I do 100 by 2, that term, that means 50th term, that means 50th term, median is equals to 50th term, but we have to find its value. How to find? We all know now, so many questions we have done. This 50 we have to join with the curve, we have to join 50 with the curve, and then on curve, whichever point we are getting, from that point we have to draw, we have to draw vertical line on x-axis, which should meet x-axis. The point where it is meeting, that is the median. So I am getting 39. I'm getting, see this point I am getting as 39. What about you people? What is the value of median you are getting? I'm getting the value of median as 39. I don't see any responses. I want you people to respond. Yes, so Jayashree is also getting 39. So plus and minus 2 units are acceptable because graph scale is 1 unit, right? So plus minus 2 units is acceptable. So I am getting 39. Now let's see the number of students who obtained more than 75%. 38. 38 is also acceptable. Like plus minus 2 units is fine. The number of students who obtained more than 75% marks. So more than 75% marks means the number of students who obtained more than, so number we have to find. What we have to do? We have to find number. So number of students obtained above 75 we have to find. Above, more than means what? More than means above 75. Above 75%. So how to find? See 75 because 100 this one is there. 75% means 75 only because number we have to find. Number we have to find in number is on y-axis. Number is on y-axis. So that means on x-axis we will, from this point we will draw line to curve. See here we had to find median. Median it was supposed to be an x-axis. So that's why from y-axis we drew line first. See opposite we have to do. Now 75 we will see on x-axis we will figure out 75. From 75 we'll draw one line to the curve, vertical line we will draw, and where the line is meeting the curve, from that point we will draw one horizontal line which will meet the y-axis. So this is the point. From this point I have to draw. So here I can see on 90 it is meeting. See above means only this part I need. Above means only this part I need. So this part you can see total is how much? Total is 100. So 100 minus 90 if I do, I'll get the above part. So 100 minus 90 because I need above 75%. So above 75% is only this much. So this will be equals to 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90 is equals to 10. So 100 minus 90 It's equals to 10. Yes. So 90 we are getting. But I told you earlier also above 90, above that point we have to find. So from total is 100, we will subtract 90 and we will get above 75% number of students. Yes, 10. 10 students are there. Now what we have to find next? You got 11. Here also plus minus. See, graph scale is 1 unit in both. So plus minus 2 here also is acceptable. Plus minus 2 units. Because ogive curve is a freehand curve. Ogive curve is freehand curve. So that's why here and there values might differ. But 2 units difference as per our graph scale, it's acceptable. Now third one. Third one, what we have to do? You have to see which the number of students. Again, number only we have to find. That means our answer will lie on y-axis. So that means from x-axis we have to plot some line. The number of students who did not pass the test, if the pass percentage is 33. If the pass percentage is 33. Okay, so 33 we will locate on x-axis and we will draw one line to the curve. Because number we have to find, so that means number it's always on y-axis. So 1 2 1 2 3. Yes, so 30 from 33 I'm drawing one line till curve. From that point I am drawing another line, horizontal line, which is meeting y-axis at some point. So this y-axis point will give me the number of students. So it is 35. I am getting this answer as 35. This I am getting as 35. Because here it is not mentioned anything like above. Above is not mentioned. So whenever above or more than is mentioned, then only we have to do subtraction, or else same point we will write. So 35 I am getting. Number of students who didn't pass, if the pass percentage is 33, full sentence you can write. So this is equals to 35. I hope you all are getting 35. 35 here also plus minus 2 units I'll write. So this is acceptable. So mostly I believe we are getting 35 only. Yes. See, if the word above is mentioned, anytime number you have to find, number of anything, that means the point will lie on y-axis. If you have to find median, that point will lie on so opposite point we will find. On opposite axis we will locate the point. Like here we located 75 on x-axis. Here we located 33 on x-axis and we drew one line to the curve. And from that line we are again drawing, from that point again we are drawing line from the curve which is meeting y-axis. So this thing you have to remember. See here, from 75 we have drawn one line to the curve. From this point where this line is meeting, we have drawn horizontal line which meets the y-axis. Same with 33 also we did. So median we got on x-axis. You can see here it's median, and number of students both the time we got along on y-axis. So I hope this is clear. Let's do the last question. So 10th question, second part of this paper. So today this paper will get completed. Model paper we were solving. So the questions were little lengthy. So it took me to complete this in 7 classes. So I hope board paper won't be this much lengthy, but always model papers or like specimens are more tough compared to the final exam. Final exam we can expect little bit less lengthy. Okay, let's do this question. This question is from heights and distances, that is applications of trigonometry. Again 5 mark question. This combination in board exam also you can expect 5 5, where 5 marks one graphical question and 5 marks the question from heights and distances. So you can expect this type of combination also. Now let's do this question. If a diagram is not given to us, we have to draw. But in board exams, I have seen like this type of the question, 99% possibility is there, figure will be given. So here it's not given, no problem, we'll draw it. From the top of a building, so building is there, building's height is given to us at 60 meter. The angle of depression, the angle of depression of the top and bottom, so both the of the lamp post. Okay, so figure how it will be. So one building is there. Let's say this is building. In front of the building, one lamp post is there. Lamp post also you can see some street light or something like that. Okay, so that will also be vertical only. So this is AB. This is building I am considering 60 meter is the height given to us. Now they are telling angles of depression not given to us. That means here I have to draw one horizontal line, because with this line only angle of depression will be there. So first angle of depression of the top of the lamp post. So top of the lamp post will be here. Top of the lamp post. So this angle is given to us. So here I'll get one angle. So I'll get one angle here. This angle is 30 degree. Then first with top and then with bottom also. Angle of depression with bottom. So here I'll get angle of depression with the bottom of the lamp post like this. This angle they have given, it's equals to 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Okay, so figure is completed. What I'll do, I'll draw one line here also. Let me draw one line here also, because I need triangles. I need triangles. So let us draw one line here. So now if you see angle of depression, can always be considered inside the triangle. So this angle, the angle which is 30 centimeter, the angle which is equals to 30 centimeter, so it will be equals to this angle as well. So alternate angles. And this angle, it will be equals to this angle. So figure is completed. So AB lamppost is CD. So here I'll write like this. In one point here I'll mark E. The horizontal distance. See here you have to remember always this BECD. BECD is a rectangle. This type of questions, this rectangle you are getting. So here EC, it will be equals to BD, and also BE is equals to CD. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So this side is equals to this and this side is equals to this side. So this we have to use in these type of questions. Let's see now horizontal distance between AB and CD. So horizontal distance means first thing what we have to find. First I'll be writing the things which we have to find. So horizontal distance between AB and CD is BD. We have to find BD. The next what we have to find, height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post means CD we have to find. The next thing, the distance between the top of the building and lamp post. Distance between the top of the building and lamp post we have to find. Okay, so what this distance will be? C. What this distance will be? Distance between the top of the building and the top of the lamp post. So this is AC. So these three sides we have to find. What we have to do, these three things we have to find. Yes, so from which triangle we can start? Two right triangles are there. Two right triangles are there. First one is AEC, triangle AEC. Second one is triangle ABD. In whichever triangle, one side, full side we know, that triangle we can use. You can see if I use the bigger triangle ABD, I have AB given to me. So I can use this triangle. I can use this triangle. So in triangle ABD, why I am choosing this triangle? Because one side is given to us, ABD. So tan we can use because perpendicular is given to us, base we have to find. Perpendicular is given to us, base we have to find. So I can write tan 50. Tan 50 is equals to, yes, ABD first we have to use. Tan 50 is equals to AB by BD. AB by BD. What we have to find? We have to find BD. BD we have to find the thing which is in denominator. So denominator things I have already told. So here complementary angle we can use. We can use complementary, so that division we can change to multiplication. So instead of tan 50, I can write tan 50 as cot 40 we can write, because tan 50 here we know cot and tan they are reciprocal relations. So tan 50 I can write as tan 90 minus 40, which is equals to cot theta. So you can just remember here, you just have to see this 50 you have to subtract from 90. We'll get cot 40, AB's value is 60 and BD we have to find. Cot 40 we can write as 1 by tan 40. So reciprocal relation here we are applying is equals to 60 by BD. BD I am shifting to other side and tan 40 to other side. So BD is equals to 60 into tan 40. I want you people to tell me the value of tan 40. See the trigonometric table and tell me the value, because I don't have the table right with me right now. What is the value of tan 40? Value of tan 40, 0.839. So 60 into 0.839 you can multiply and tell the answer. 0.8391. Okay, you multiply this one and tell the answer. So all we have to take, if it's up to 4 decimal places, we have to take complete. Okay. So I got the answer. 60 into 0.8391. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Fifty point 346. 50.346. So some 2-3 students I want to share the answers. I'm considering this one only correct, then 50.346. Okay, same one. So BD's value we got 50.346. As of now, we can write as it is up to 3 decimal places. So we have written EC is equals to, so that means both of these are 50.346. So EC is also now this much only because it's a rectangle, 50.346. Now we can use the other triangle, because in other triangle we can find AE now. So I'm using triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, again tan we will use. So here I have tan 30. Tan 30 is equals to AE by CE. AE by CE. So tan 30's value we know. In decimals, if you see from textbook, what's the value? What's the value of tan 30? One value is 1 by root 3, but direct answer you see in the form of decimals, it's given to us in this one trigonometric table. So what is that value? What is the value of tan 30 in trigonometric table? 0.5774. 0.5774. And CE also, if we shift to other sides, is CE's value just now we found 50.346. This is equals to AE. This is equals to AE. Multiply these two and tell the answer. Multiply these two and tell the answer. So 0.577. 0.5774 into, we have to multiply it with 50.346. See, so I did with calculator, 29.069 we will get. You don't have to use calculator, but I have used here because I don't want to take more time. So we found the value of AE, 29.006. See, from I need the value of CD. I need the values because this question is very lengthy. BD we have found, that's done. Then CD we have to find. See, for CD what we have to do? See, we will find BE. For CD we will find BE. Now how to find BE? BE is actually, BE is AB minus AE. You can see here, from AB, if I am subtracting AE, I will get the value of BE. And BE is equals to CD. So that's how we have to find. So AB minus AE, AB is 60 and AE just now we have found. So 29.069, 29.06, up to 2 decimal places we can take. So this is the value of BE. So subtraction we can do here. So 60.00 we can write. So from here we have to subtract this one. So what we will get? We'll get 30.931 meter. Meter or centimeter, whatever is given to us. Meter. So this is the value of CD also, because BE and CD are equals to each other. So this is the value of CD as well. This is the value of CD also. BE and CD, they are equal. BE we can find by doing the subtraction of AE and AE. AB, from full if we subtract AE, we will get the value of BE. Yes, so 30.931. Okay, correct. Now last thing we have to do. The last part, what we have to do, we have to find AC. We have to find AC. So how we will find now AC? How we will find AC? How we will find AC? I don't see any response. So in triangle AEC, see hypotenuse we have to find. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem will make it very complicated. We will use sine theta. We'll use sine theta. If you want, because calculations are very lengthy, in big decimals we are getting, although I don't think in big board exam it will be like this. So we can use sine theta. Sine 30 is equals to AE. Although if you use Pythagoras theorem, it is correct, but it will be too much of time consuming. So avoid. Use trigonometric ratios. So perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse, that we all know. Sine 30 1 by 2. So we have to find AC. AE's value we have already found, 29.069. Okay, by AC we'll do cross multiplication here. So AC is equals to 29.069 into 2. Just multiply and tell me the answer. Sine or cos also you can use, because base also we know. But cos 30 is 1 by root 3 by 2. With sine it will be more easier. So that's why I used sine. So multiply it with 2. 29.069 into 2. 58.138 meter. Is it correct? 58.138 meter. Okay. So we have completed this question as well. This was the last question of this model paper. Just go through the questions once again. 7 video lessons are there. You can go through and try to do questions once again on your own. Okay, and if anyone any doubt is there, you can just let me know, or else let's just finish this class. Anyone any doubt? Okay, I guess no doubts. Okay, then bye everyone. Have a wonderful day and prepare well for the exam. Only 2 days are left. All the best for your preparations.